How to register on Kucoin application, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with the registration on the Kucoin application. So let's get into it. Now to get started, all you have to do is head on over to your application store. So you're just going to go on to your app store over here, and you can go into your Google Play Store or your iOS application store and just search for Kucoin. Once you search for Kucoin over here, you will download this application. So it just says Kucoin, buy Bitcoin and crypto, and it is a cryptocurrency trade and investment application. You will download this. It takes a couple of seconds to download. And once you have downloaded it, we will simply just click on open over here. Now, once you open this up, this will be your home page. You don't have to register to actually browse the Kucoin application. You can browse it as it is, but to register and create your account, simply click on the top left over here. Once you click on the top left, you will click on this login over here. And from here, you will see that you might be wondering, hey, I don't have an account. How can I log in? Just click on login. Once you do that, you will see the sign up button on the top right over here. So once you see the sign up button, you will simply enter a suitable email address and then enter a password that you want for your email address. Once you've entered your email address and a password that you want for your email address, you will go on ahead and complete verification from your email. So Kucoin will send you a verification code on your email, and then you will have to confirm that on the application, and then that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to sign up. I have previously created an account with their platform, so I am just gonna go on ahead and log on to my account that I already have on their platform, just like so, and I will just click on log in. And then it will just do a simple verification. So you just have to complete this robot verification, and it takes a couple of seconds to log in. And I have logged in now. And in this way, you can register and create your account as well. It is that simple and easy. It takes less than a minute to get started. Once you have registered, you will have access to all of Kucoin's different applications and different features. However, so there is something you need to keep in mind whenever using the Kucoin application. You want to make sure you have completed basic verification to be able to get started with trades. Now, once you have created your account and done the basic verification with your email address, you've verified your email address, you will see on the bottom you have your basic navigation panel, then you will have your market section. So over here you can browse any kind of market of your choice. You can take a look at the spot market, you can take a look at different coins. You also have your futures market, the discover section as well, where you can browse different tokens. You can see the Kucoin 30 index, the 24-hour volumes, and other trading information all on the market section. And then next up you have the trade section. So you can click on the trade section to begin trading in both the spot market or the margin market, or to begin margin trading, you can do that as well directly from here. You can also do grid trading, so you can create multiple different spot grids directly on the Kucoin application. You have a spot grid that you can use directly in the spot market or even in the futures market. So you can create a futures grid on the Kucoin application. That is why I love using the Kucoin application as my primary feature, especially to trade alternate coins. So if you're in the altcoin market, if you want to trade with altcoins, then this is definitely the application for you. And you also can click on Trading Bot Pro to access the premium features of trading bots and create more customized trading bots on the Kucoin application. Next up, you have the fiat section. So you can simply click on buy and buy fiat using any token you want. You can even buy crypto tokens directly from your credit or debit card. You can use Banksa, Simplex, BTC Direct, Legend Trading, and other basic trading options to get started with purchasing crypto. Now, you will be able to see, if you go back into your home section, you can click on deposit over here and deposit crypto or fiat. So you have two options, and you can directly deposit your crypto. So let's say you are holding crypto in a different wallet. You can enter, or you can take the wallet address that you get into your wallet over here. So you'll get a address like so, and I can just copy this wallet address, and from my MetaMask or whatever other platform that I'm using to hold my crypto tokens, I can simply transfer them to my Kucoin wallet by sending them to this address. This is the address unique to me, and that is how simple and easy it is to deposit from another wallet. If you want to purchase, you can purchase purchase, and you can go into the fiat section as well to purchase fiat directly from your credit or debit card. Then you also have a person-to-person trading feature, so you can directly trade with other people, buy USDT directly from other people, and you can also choose to sell USDT as well to get better prices on your crypto trades. Now, next up, you also have basic trading bots, so you can click on trading bots where you can create spot grids, future grids. You also have a smart rebalance bot and a infinity grid and DCA grids as well. You also have functional or fractional NFTs over here. So if you open that up, they have now recently created a NFT market where you can, trade NFTs and purchase NFTs as well. Plus, Kucoin also has a earn feature, so if you go into the earn section over here, you can subscribe to multiple different investment platforms or investments mechanisms. You have dual investments on Kucoin, so you can choose any token pairs of these and choose to invest in those. Then you have basic promotions, you have flexible and fixed staking or locking assets. Then you have bonus, then you have ETH 2.0, as well as Polkadot and Burning Drop earning platforms as well. So these are different mechanisms that you can use to earn directly into your Kucoin wallet. Now, next up, you also have the convert section. So whatever token or whatever fiat that you might have in your wallet on Kucoin, you might want to trade that for another token or for another fiat, then you can simply do this in the convert section where it will give you market prices. It will take market prices off the spot grid as they are, and you can place orders to trade your cryptocurrencies directly in Kucoin as well. Plus, you also have a referral option, so you can earn money with referrals on Kucoin as well. You can go on ahead and trade with leveraged tokens on Kucoin, which is especially helpful if you want to do staking or if you want to earn more benefits with, lower investment. So you can leverage tokens in the marginalized markets as well. You also have crypto lending on Kucoin, where you can borrow crypto tokens and also lend crypto tokens. If you're lending them, then you will be able to earn interest. And if you're borrowing, obviously you'll have to pay interest at a daily rate or at an annual rate, however you choose to pay. Now, other than that, they also have other features such as a community section. They also have liquidity pools. So liquidity pools allow you to put your liquid crypto, because these large exchanges need, liquid money to transfer for all of their trades. So if you put your tokens into a liquidity pool, you can earn interest. It's quite similar to earning interest as you would by putting your money in a interest account in the bank. You will just put your money in the pool for a certain number of days, and depending on how long you put your money in there for, you will be able to earn interest accordingly. So that is how easy it is to get started with the Kucoin application and register your account. If you want to complete identity verification, just head on over to your account over here, and you can click on the top section. You can see my account is unverified because I recently created that, but you can click on verify over here. And you can click on agree and continue, enter your basic personal information to get started. And it takes around 2 days to complete identity verification. And that is it for the complete starters tutorial for Kucoin. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video.